Hey guys, so a little bit of a different setup here. I'm gonna try something different. I don't do them typically, but I figured why not try a little something different for my viewers. So I have a triptych set up here coated in black. I figured save some time on the video and go from there, start with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm using cobalt blue, very thin. I have fluorescent violet by acrylic. I have Golden's extra fine gold fluid acrylic. It's the iridescent gold fine, sorry. So that's what I'm using for the gold. I'm using Aqua Flash by Color Shift. It's made by Folk Art. And I have also Metallic Blue by Ceramcoat. So I think this one needs to be thinned down just a little bit. It seems a little thick. So I'm sure you guys have figured out possibly what I'm going to be doing. Rinska Donna does Dutch pours, and I figured why not pay some homage to her today and do something totally outside of my element and do a Dutch pour. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, you'll never see this. So if it does work, then you know, I'll put it up in my video. Obviously, you'd be watching it right now. So I'm gonna start in a line. I know Canella does these. There's Molly's Artistry does them. There's a bunch of artists that do these. So this is gonna be my second attempt at doing them. The first attempt was on a white background, and I sort of overblew them a little bit, but they worked out pretty either way. So we're just gonna start layering down the paints. I might do another line of the fluorescent violet. I think there's a lot of paint on here, we'll find out. My paint might be too thin too, so. Because it is expanding. Then I'm going to put my black. Now let's get the hair dryer out. I don't know about this. I'm making a mess over here. So this up also. I ran out of counter space. So I have a bunch of paint everywhere now. I don't even know if I really need to torch, but I will anyways. So I'm using the Urban Qreator torch. It'll be in the description of the video, and you can get 40% off using the coupon code. So yeah, I really don't think I needed to use it, but well, that was fun. So let's see here. I really, really love this. This is so pretty. Well, I think I'm gonna blow out a little over there. I have this tubing that I use every once in a while. This is so pretty. I love it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is bring you guys in just a second. In just a moment. Hold on. Okay, guys, I am loving this. It is so different for me, but I mean, it glows with the gold. It is so pretty. Blah, I can't talk. Pretty. Sort of bummed it was over so quickly. But I love this. This is so, so beautiful. The colors are fantastic against the black, and the gold is just so vibrant. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks so much for watching. I'll keep posting beautiful work for you guys. Just wanted to try something new today, something out of my element and comfort zone. Thin paints. But it turned out beautiful, and I certainly cannot complain. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Friday.